Now that you have a good idea about what name that you might want or how to go about getting that name, I want to talk about color psychology in video number 5. Now, color psychology is very important because different colors can make your audience feel a certain way. Have you ever noticed that you look at a logo and it makes you feel a certain way? Or you look at a design, or you look at like graphic design, and it makes you feel a certain way, but you really can't figure out why or how it's making you feel a certain way. Well, part of that is color psychology, or how colors invoke certain emotions. You see, you've already done your homework and you've already figured out what emotions that you want to invoke. Now it's time to look at the colors that will invoke those emotions. So what I want to do now is go through a specific chart and show you how different colors mean different things. So if we take a look at color psychology in a little more depth, according to neuroscientist Bevell Conway, who has focused his recent research almost entirely on neural machinery behind color, he basically believes the science behind color psychology to be very powerful, yet very underexploited. So what you want to be thinking as we are going through this particular video is how can you apply different colors, not just to your logo, but to many other things, to your designs, to your headers, to your all sorts of areas of your website, and other areas of where your customer and your prospect come in contact with you and your company. So what I want you to do is, since up until this point, you should by now have a list of emotions that you want to invoke for people to feel before they buy your product and even after they buy your product. And then I want you to match those emotions with the colors that I'm about to reveal to you. So we're going to go through, for example, in this case, red. I'm going to go through the list of emotions, and feel free to pause this video at any time so that you can match things up. Okay, so we have red. Red expresses the emotion of passion, strength, power danger, and urgency. Green, we have safety, healing, money, peaceful, and growth. And if you think about it, green emphasizes a lot of things like landscaping, green trees. So that matches growth and peaceful. Now, in the next video after this, I will actually be going through very popular brands, and you'll be able to see in more detail, get a better idea of how colors actually match that of bigger brands. And then of course we have blue, which emphasizes the emotion of stability, trust, and health. You'll notice a lot of health companies, health insurance companies, and even hospitals. A lot of times they'll use blue. Even government will use blue. You'll notice that because they want to emphasize that trust, that stability, that health. Then of course we have yellow, which we actually did some research in Big Stock Photo, if you recall, in the previous videos, and we found some images that emphasized excitement. And you notice that in those images themselves, you saw a lot of yellow. So this doesn't impact just your logo, but it also impacts your other images as well. So yellow impacts and creates that happiness, excitement, and intellect. Then of course we have orange. We have joy, enthusiasm, and encouragement. We have brown, confidence, casualness. We have gold, which emphasizes the emotion of wealth, prestige, wisdom. And then we have purple, which emphasizes power, luxury, ambition, wise, imaginative, and creative. And then we have pink, which is feminism and romance. Black, power, elegance, mystery, and death. And then of course we have white, which is purity, perfection, and safety. And then of course, last but not least, we have gray, which is tradition, dullness, and calm.